Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to see our second chapter, My Yearly Home, written by Anna Sewell. This My was refers to horse yearly home. Okay. Let me give the introduction of the story. Do you think animals have feelings? Yes. What do you think? Animals are feeling or not? Yes, because they are living things. Like we people have feelings, emotions. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad. The same way, animals are also sometimes we feel happy and sometimes we feel sad. Okay. In the story, we will see that the black horse. What is the color of the horse? Black. Okay. It looked handsome. That is smart. What is the name of the horse? Black Beauty. The name of the horse is Black Beauty. Okay. And he is narrating the story, is telling about the childhood. Okay. And he is also telling about the master. See, horses don't have a particular masters. Okay, they have to fulfill master, and they don't stay the particular place. So it's telling about some master are cruel, kind, and foolish. Okay, but it's like a human being because it's care of them, treated like love, care and affection. Okay. Now I will be read the paragraph and I will be doing the explanation. Okay. The first paragraph. The first place that I can remember when is a large pleasant meadow. What does it mean by meadow? It means grass filled area. Okay. With a pond of clear water in it, some shady trees lean over it, and rushes and water lilies grow at the deep end. Over the hedge on one side, we looked into a plug field, and on the other, we looked over the gate at our master's house, which stood by the roadside. At the top of the meadow was a plantation of five trees, and at the bottom a running brook with the step banks. Here the Black Beauty is same that he remember the place where the large pleasant meadow. Meadow means what? Grass filled area. Okay. Where there was a pond, some trees were leaned over it, and rushes. What does it mean by rushes? It means tall grass. Okay. It means tall grass. Grass the grow at the end. Okay. Over hedge hedge. What does it mean by hedge? Hedge means especially along the edge of a field. Okay. Especially along the edge of field. Okay. And then which is ready for planting. Here is a Black Beauty is describing the master's house was the roadside area, and top of the house was meadow, was plantation. What does it mean by plantation? A large from particular type of crop in grown. Okay, a large from particular type of crop is grown. Okay, at the bottom. Brook. What does it mean by brook? It means a stream, a small stream. Okay, a stream. Okay, a stream. Brook means a stream, a small stream. Okay, with step banks. What does it mean by step banks? It means slow. Step bank means slow. Okay, and second paragraph. While I was young, I drank my mother's milk, as I could not eat grass. In the daytime I can by side, and at night I lay down close by here. When it was not we used to stand by the pond in the shade of the trees, and when it was cold, we had a nice warm shed near the plantation. Here the Black Beauty was very small, okay. So he is not able to eat the grass. So he drank his mother's milk, okay. But at the daytime, what is too used to go and sit by here side, and night close to her. When there was not, they used to sit and near by the pond, so that there is a cool coming over there and in the shade of tree. And when it was cold, they used it near the plantation, okay. And third paragraph, as soon as I was old enough to eat grass, my mother used to go out to work in the daytime and come back in the evening. Now the Black Beauty was able to eat the grass, okay. What mothers used to go out the daytime, and the mother and she is come back the evening, okay. The fourth paragraph, there were 6 young colts in the meadow besides me. They were older than I was. Some were nearly as large as grown-up horses. I used to run with them, and had great fun. We used to gallop together round and round the field. As hard as we could go, sometimes we had rather rough play, for they would frequently bite and kick. So the Black Beauty was 6 young colts. Colts means what? Young male horse. Colts means young male horse. Okay. They were all elder Black Beauty, and some were the large grown up horse. They used to have fun. They used to play, and then they used to run. They used to gallop. What does it mean by gallop? Run fast. Gallop means run fast. Okay, run fast. And sometimes they very used to play, and they would very roughly, and it's very frequently. What does it mean by frequently? Frequently means repeatedly, again and again, repeatedly. Okay, often bite and kick each other. Okay, and dear children, are you clear the lesson? I hope all are clear. Today we have to learn the first part, and tomorrow we have to learn the second part. Okay, learn the lesson. Thank you.